Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing and full review of this very interesting kids camera. Comes with everything what we need, has 44 megapixels, 16 times zoom, comes even with a large 32 gigabytes memory card, has full 1080p resolution, has even a flashlight for the night, comes with some selfie and vlogging options. So we have really everything what we need for a really good kids camera. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and then how to use it, and of course I'm also going to show you some live footage. And so here's the box with some description, some specs here, but let's open it, see what we get. Comes nicely protected even with this carry bag, so that would be also very nice gift. You can see how small this is, can remove this protection. Then underneath some accessories, we get even this USB charger, comes with the battery, but of course not an external charger, so you have to charge the battery here inside, but comes with this micro SD card charging cable and even nice hand strap. I would say very important if you give it to children, and comes also with this nice instructions manual and a cleaning towel for the screen and the camera lens. So we remove this micro SD card, and now let's push the opening to the right side and open it. And so here we have the opening for the micro SD card. We push it here inside, push it fully down with the pin looking to the screen, and the battery with the charging pins to the right side. If you're holding the camera like that, we have to just push this a little bit up, so make sure that you're doing that like this and push it fully inside so it locks. When you want to remove, you have to push up and then you can release it. Really nice, but you can leave it inside usually. And so we push it down and to the left side, and the camera has even a full-size 1/4-inch tripod mount, so you can see if you want to use it for selfies, for example, that's awesome. And so we can turn it on top here with this button, get the green light, hello. And so it's already ready in the photo mode. And so we can use this shutter release button to make an image. On top we have the two zooming buttons. You can see you can really zoom in and zoom out really fast. Here we have the mode button, so we can switch to the video camera mode. So we can also start here. You can see we can even use the zooming while we are recording. That's a really nice function. So let's stop it again. And when we press again, it goes into the player. You can hear that it also records the audio nicely. With the OK button, we are leaving the player. With the left and right button, we can switch between the different recordings. And with the white button, we can zoom out, select also here different footage, and switch back to the camera mode. Super easy to use. You have even a dedicated button for multiple shots. So it has made 3 shots at one time. And on the left side we have a timer button. You can see 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or back to instant photo. Underneath we have a button to delete images, and on top we have the illumination, pretty strong light. And the light works for pictures, but also for video recording. That's very convenient. And down here we have the menu button. For example, when we are in the photo mode, we can click, then we can set the different image size, or we can activate the anti-shake, face detection, smile capture, different effects, different language, different date, automatic power off, frequency, sound effect, format, default setting. And of course, when we are in the video mode, we have a little bit different settings. Here we can select different video size, special effects, and when we are in the playback menu, we have some options to delete images. What's maybe important to know is that the stabilization only works with the photo mode and not with the video mode. The camera lens has a fixed focus, no autofocus, so we do not have like a pre-focus here. We can just push here and then it starts recording or shooting the picture instantly. And usually that works pretty fast. You can see image 1 and we are ready for image 2 and ready for image 3. Of course, that's a little bit depending on the size which we are choosing. The smaller the size, the faster we can save it. And as you can see, we have a lot of information here on the screen. You can see how many photos we can make and all the information about the picture and stabilization and the battery charge level. And so it looks like the battery came already fully pre-charged. Also something good to know when you want to buy this as a gift. So there will be no disappointment at the beginning. And to charge, we can use any kind of USB power source. The camera doesn't have to work during this time, so we can turn it off and plug it in. Here on the left side, we see the red light until it's fully charged. In case the camera gets stuck and doesn't do anything anymore, then open this lid here and remove the battery. Push it inside and start it again. Or simply long press here for a while. I think after about 10 seconds the camera will turn off. I've even recorded in total darkness with the video light and it works really good with absolutely no other light here inside. And then here a nice video from outside, but of course you can see there is no stabilization, but I would say the colors are decent, good focus, everything pretty good, wide dynamic range, not much to complain for such a camera. By the way, we can even reverse the video here, you can see, so we cannot play it only forward, we can also play it back. Pretty interesting function. Or we can fast forward 4 times, as you can see. Of course also reverse 4 times speed. Then zooming test here from outside, you can see of course it's not super fast and not absolutely smooth, but definitely the zooming works while we are recording. That's something which not every camera can do. And now we are zooming out here while recording. And here even more images, you can see it makes really nice pictures with decent color. And here a selfie test which shows that the microphone is working nicely. By the way, in the replay we can use the zoom in and zoom out buttons to increase or decrease the volume. Selfie and microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Selfie with microphone test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to transfer everything to a piece we have 2 options. Of course we turn it off here. Then we could remove the microSD card, put it into a reader or maybe use the built-in reader of a PC and then open the File Explorer. Then we have it there. And this even works on a phone. So I'm going to show you that. Here we insert the microSD card using this OTG reader, add it to a phone and then it shows up here. We click and so we have the DCIM and the folder for this camera. And so we can see all the images and videos here directly on the phone. Just choose a player here. Then we can see all the images, videos, everything directly here on the phone. And on the PC, same thing. But of course, we are using USB-A. So we plug it in here. And so we open the File Explorer. Here it's Drive D. Click on DCIM, then the camera folder. And after that we have everything here. We just pick a program. You can see the images here, videos, everything. Really nice, beautiful images. And so we can copy everything, transfer everything from here. Or we remove the microSD card, put it back into the camera and then connect it with the USB-A cable. And so let's turn it on again. So we can choose it also here as D drive. And so we have same thing, we can choose DCIM camera folder and then we have everything here as well. And we can use the camera even as a webcam when we have it connected like that. We see the red LED and so we long press here on these 2 buttons on top at the same time. So it shows this webcam icon now and then you open a webcam software. And so you can see we have it here instantly available as a really nice webcam. And so we can just hold it or using the tripod or just put it here because it has a safe stand. And so I would say for the price, it's definitely not a bad thing. Also, when we consider this, especially for children or smaller children, definitely a positive thing when they don't use your phone, they cannot access the internet or do crazy stuff on your phone. Pretty much all the functions are working straightforward. And so I have done everything without even watching at the instructions manual. The only thing which I had to look up was the webcam function. Of course, there's no autofocus and there's no flip screen for easy selfies. Also no screen here in the front, but this is not what we can expect, of course, at this price. So I would say as a very simple entry-level camera for children with really a lot of functions and still decent quality in this class, I would say why not? And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.